What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. Let's get on into it. So first up from the Facebook group, we have Ryan Brown. Found these Cobalt, what is this? I don't know if this is a scrubber, telescoping scrubber kit with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger for $39.67. I've never seen anything that cheap in a scrubber brand name. This is in store only. He found his in Bel Air, South Maryland. Let me tell y'all something. The Lowe's in Maryland always have ridiculous clearance deals on Cobalt products. I just wish I lived there still so I can take advantage of some of those deals. But thank you for sharing that, Ryan. Moving on. But before we move on to the next deals, I just want to say if you appreciate a wonderful deal, if you appreciate paying less money, saving some money on some quality tools, consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. So moving on over to Amazon, we have this Fuji Spray SemiPro 2 HVLP spray system. Now, if you don't know anything about the Fuji spray systems, let me just tell you, they're like the creme de la creme. They're also quite expensive. But the SemiPro 2, they're running a sale right now, which makes them like $529 on sale. I don't know why they're saying list price $529. It's like actually $529 on sale right now. But this has gone a little further to mark it down to $443. This is like secondhand Facebook marketplace prices. I had this system before. Mine was a little older, and I bought it secondhand on Facebook Marketplace. So I think I bought mine for like $389. They spray really, really well. Since then, I've upgraded to the Q5. Usually during the springtime, the Q5 goes on sale, but that system is almost $2,000. It's like it usually goes on sale for like $15.99. And if you buy that one you could paint a whole car with. I know some people who have used the SemiPro 2 to paint a car as well, but you'll get better results with the Q5. But this SemiPro 2 will do pretty much everything. You just got to make sure you have the right nozzles and all that good stuff. But $443. There you go there. Moving on over to Home Depot. This Ryobi Planer is on sale now. There was a sale. I want to say this, the cheapest I've seen this was $59. And that was like a year and a half, maybe almost 2 years ago. I grabbed one. It's not brushless, but it's a pretty good planer. I still haven't used mine. And since then, I've gotten the Metabo HPT brushless one, so I'll probably never use this. But yeah, reviews are really good. $69 for a decent planer there. Moving on over to Lowe's, we have BOGO. Now, a lot of people have this Metabo HPT rear handle. They also have the regular 7¼ inch, and it's basically the same old deal that we've seen like for the past 2 years. You get the starter kit, and you get that circular. So now, this starter kit though is a 4 amp hour battery. So since it's a 36 volt 4 amp hour battery on 18 volt tools, because this is also compatible with 18 volt tools, this will be an 8 amp hour battery. So keep that in mind. Also, it's the smart charger where this could charge your devices. You don't even need to plug it into the wall. You can just pop a battery in there, push this little USB power button right here, and boop, it'll charge your other devices. So $199 at Lowe's. That's where I recommend you buy from, because you have the longest return policy there. A lot of people have been going crazy over this. To me, it's not really a huge sale on this Skill table saw, but I mean, it's a nice table saw, especially for the legs. This is what I like about it. The legs fold in, so you don't have to have a separate stand for it. So it just kind of comes built in. You can fold it down, and then you just put it on top of a workbench, or you can extend the legs and work with it that way. $269 there. Moving on over to Acme Tools. Now, this one's going to be a little bit of a doozy here. So they have a lot of Metabo HPT deals going on right now. Some come with extra free batteries. Some come with a free miter saw. That was crazy. Free miter saw and the like. So first off, you do have your rackets and you activate your 2% cash back. I would say you get a $30 bonus, but I don't know anybody that's been getting their bonus for like the past 2 months. So you can try it. Make sure you use the link in the description so it'll give you that $30 bonus. But you know, you could try it, but you do get the 2% cash back. I do know that that's still working. And right now they do have a deal. If you spend $3.99 or more and use this coupon code HPT saw, you get a free miter saw. And it's a dual bevel miter saw. This is actually the miter saw that you get. So you'll get this dual bevel compound miter saw. Now it's not sliding, it's just dual bevel. And if you don't know what that is, let me see if I can find a picture to illustrate. Well, they don't have any pictures of that, but basically it'll cut this way and it'll swivel and cut that way, so you get a full range there. $324.99. So here I'll leave a link to all of the tools you can choose from, but these are the ones I found that are already on sale, plus this BOGO. So you can get the oscillating tool, the little compact blower, the heat gun, a jigsaw, the radio, and all that'll come to $416, $17 over the $3.99, and you get that free miter saw. If you break this down, okay, all these items, it'll be like paying $69 for each thing, and every single one of these tools is worth more than $69. So that's a heck of a deal right there. Moving on, I just want to again remind y'all, if you were looking for a drill, look, you have the flex drills over at Acme Tools, and you got their top of line turbo hammer drill with a 5 amp hour battery, 2.5 amp hour battery, hard case and charger for for the ridiculous price of $119. Just don't be fooled and tricked in by the $99 one. It's still not a bad drill, but it only comes with 2.5 amp hour batteries. Why would you do this? Pay extra $20 and get the bigger batter drill that has a handle and a bigger battery. So anyway, forget about that one and get that. All right, moving on. We almost done. Over at Ohio Power Tool, we haven't been over here in a minute. They have this deal going on here. You buy this 2-pack of 2 5 amp hour power stack batteries, and you'll get this this compact circular saw kit though. Now that circular saw itself is normally like $129, $149, and it's a really good circular saw. I have one, I use it all the time. Now the kit itself though, I haven't found it for anything cheaper than $315. So the kit comes with the circular saw bag, charger, and a 5 amp hour battery. So you're getting $315 worth of stuff for $299. Just, I mean, that you just getting it. You could look at it as getting a discount on that kit, but also 2 5 amp hour power stack batteries. So that's a great deal right there as well. Finally, over here at Tools Direct at eBay, just again want to remind you guys to be careful, because a lot of these prices are ridiculous. Like this right here, that 30% off is not real. This right here is ridiculous for $175. That's what it costs at Home Depot. But there are some decent little deals if you search through these things. For example, you have your hammer drill, your top of line Milwaukee hammer drill, $99 there. That's a good deal. And then this Milwaukee M12 hacksaw kit comes with a 4 amp hour battery. What's that? Yeah, 4 amp hour battery, charge in the bag, and it's the fuel one right here. Now, the real hack here is to add the stuff to cart and let it sit there. Just don't buy it. After about 48 hours, they should give you reach out, give you a little discount, and to give you that 30% off, and there you go. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment, share it with your brethren, subscribe so you don't miss any videos and tool deals in the future, and I will see you guys next time.